In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to add Face ID for Messenger. Let's get started. First, you'll need to make sure Face ID is already set up on your device. For that, launch Settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option Face ID and Passcode. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode. Type in that. Now once you're over here, you're gonna find the option of Set up Face ID. Click on that. Now go ahead and set up Face ID. Once you do that, close this, launch Messenger. Navigate to the menu page. Now head over to the option Settings. Click on the option Privacy and Safety. Click on the option App Lock. Click on that. You will find the option of Require Face ID. Toggle on for that. Click on Allow. Different time frame will be available. Go ahead and select the option of your choice. If you want to require Face ID after you leave Messenger or after 1 minute, 15 minutes or 1 hour. After you set it, you will be good to go. So this way you can easily set up Face ID for your Facebook Messenger. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.